everybody. So I have a new gadget. It is two of my most favorite things in the world all put together. It is a pressure cooker and an air fryer. So we'll see how this works. We're gonna unbox it today, see everything that comes with it. My concern is that it might do a lot of things, but maybe not do them fantastically. As versus, you know, each machine having its own function and it does it great. So we're gonna see that today. We're gonna unbox, then I'll do some videos with a demonstration to see if it does everything well or if there's any issues. So also why this is important is our house is up for sale. Yay, sell soon. And I'm moving the family into a trailer because we don't really know where we want to move next. We're thinking of building a house, so until we know for sure, there's no reason to rent or to buy another house. So countertop space is going to be quite valuable. So if this works well and it has all of the functions I need and it's one appliance, all the better. So here we go. It is quite a large box. So I'm hoping it's not going to be too massive. It's an 8-quart. So here we go. And it's already starting off with a Creole fried chicken recipe. That looks good. I don't know if that's on my wellness plan. But the first thing we have is the owner's manual. And a recipe book. I don't know about you, but let's see if I can do this. I love Emeril stuff, so bam. Hopefully it's not too complicated. Comes with a glass lid, so I'm thinking it can be like a slow cooker too. That would be pretty cool. Here's what the inside looks like. So it's pretty well packaged. We'll see how this all goes. So here's one of the lids. I'm actually standing on a stool because it's so high. There's that part. Oh, and the big boy. Oh. So here we go. Put some of the pieces off to the side, out of the way. So this is an 8-quart. My Instapot that I have right now is a 6-quart, and I love it, but a lot of times I find that I can't get as much as I need, especially when I'm meal prepping for the whole family for a week. So I probably won't get rid of the other Instapot, but use it for the smaller things. My air fryer that I got from Costco, that might be going back, is 8-quart, and I really like that size. So this looks okay. We should come on in. So it has a valve at the top for closed or open. So for your, I'm sure, natural release versus quick release for the Instapot. And as you can see, it's got a lot of different functions. So I'm really interested to try this one. Steam, saute, I like the timer. Keep warm, I like the delay timer. Yogurt is a must for me. I absolutely make homemade yogurt. There's no reason to buy yogurt. Oh, I love this. I didn't even know it had this. I love to can all the jams, all the jellies. I'm trying new canning stuff for vegetables, for garden vegetables. So that is awesome, so that I don't have to have the old pressure cooker that like rocks back and forth with the different weights and you're constantly checking it to see if it's gonna blow up your kitchen. So those are the really scary ones. So I'm super excited about that. And then air fry, and it does have the slow cooker. So I can actually throw out not throw out, donate or sell my really nice slow cooker. So let's see if I can figure out how to get the lid off. Closed, open. I may need to read the directions. There we go. Okay, so I just pulled the little tab on the top from closed to open, and then I was able to turn it. Let's see what we've got inside. So we have a little shelf for it so that your meat isn't sitting in the juices, or sometimes I'll put meat under it and then put this rack on top and put my vegetables so they don't get too soggy. So that's pretty awesome. And then it comes with a spatula. Looks like probably a condensation cup. I'm not sure what that is. Probably some type of key. Sure, we'll find out when we read the instruction manual. But here's like the spatula. I like how it has the grips on it. And the cord. And then the inside, it looks like it has a non-stick inside. So that'll be interesting to see. And it does have measurements on the outside that you can see as well as the inside. I'm a little concerned with the non-stick. The reason I had to get rid of my old air fryer was because the non-stick was peeling off after a couple of years. So I'm hoping that's not the case, but if it is, maybe it's not too expensive. So should make cleanup easier. And then the inside, come on in, looks just like the regular Instapot. So I'm gonna put these back in. We're gonna look at the other lid. I also bought some really cool attachments for my Instapot off of Amazon, and I'm going to check to see if they work with this. So here is the other lid. So I'm thinking the only storage I'm going to have, this can be out on the countertop, is whichever lid I'm not using. So there's 3 lids. There's the clear one for slow cooking, I'm sure, the Instapot one, and the air fryer one. So the air fryer one, so it looks like instead of the air being circulated through the bottom, like a lot of air fryers, it looks like it's convection from the top. So hopefully that should work well. But there you go. We've unboxed Emeril's pressure air fryer duo, and I can't wait to do some recipes and see how it does and see if it does everything well. So if you have a recipe suggestion, or you would like for me to try something in this before you go out and purchase your own, please drop it in the comments, like the video, and subscribe. See you soon.